Simplifying square roots. This is a digital lesson. So it gives a little example on the first opening slide. Square root of 20, we could divide it into a perfect square times the square root of 5, or 2 square root of 5. So it explains what a square root is, and then gives some examples of perfect squares. On the next slide, students are going to mark an X in the box next to the perfect squares. So it'd be square root of 4, square root of 9, and square root of 36. And then if they want to simplify a square root that's not a perfect square, they have to find two factors of that number in which one is a perfect square. So there they get 2 square root of 5. Next slide, students are going to be doing this themselves. So the first one's an example. Square root of 27, you could break up into this perfect square, square root of 9 times the square root of 3. And that gives us an answer of 3 square root of 3. So they have to do that for square root of 28, square root of 50, and so on. Now, if you notice, all of these answers have a letter next to them. They're going to use those letters to solve a riddle at the end. So they want to solve the riddle, why do plants hate math? Because it gives them, and they're going to find all of these solutions on the previous slides. So when they find the solution, for example, 5 square root of 5, they go back to it and they're going to find a letter next to the answer, type that letter above its solution or under its solution. And that will spell out why plants hate math. So that is a lesson, digital lesson on simplifying square roots.